Salon.com. Ron Paul faces swift backlash on Twitter after sharing insanely racist cartoon. Well, holy mother of God, let's hear about this. After former presidential candidate Ron Paul shared a racist political cartoon about cultural Marxism, featuring caricatures of black, Jewish, Asian and Latino stereotypes, Twitter gave him the business. You show that old man who's boss, Twitter. Why did you delete your first draft? Wow, that's a Paul cartoon. How did Ron Paul ever find his way to Paul? I don't know how this has happened. This is very interesting, isn't it? I just want to say, I don't go to Paul. I just kind of see what they do secondhand. And yes, these are racist caricatures. That's correct. Ron Paul, who published hundreds of racist newsletters in the 80s, calling black men animals and referred to Martin Luther King Day as Hate Whitey Day. Jesus, Ron. I don't agree with that. Then tweeted, then deleted this shockingly racist and anti-Semitic political cartoon. Anti-Semitism is just a form of racism, so it's kind of redundant, isn't it? Come on, get your shit together, Salon. And let's be honest, how do you guys feel about the Jews anyway? Twitter account, yes, you're racist, called Ron Paul a racist. Imagine my shock. Oh my god, it's K. Thor Jensen. The man knows his base. This guy was an anti-Gamergate cuck who undoubtedly will inevitably be accused of raping a woman because he's a male feminist. And he's a goony beard man. And he ain't getting none. Oh, it's Stavers. The woman who created sourdough bread from her yeast infection. I'm sure she's got something really important to tell us. Make no mistake, when retweeting this, Ron Paul knew this was enormously fucking racist. No excuses or pleas of ignorance. Fucking put him against the wall, Stavers. Shoot that old man in his fucking racist head. And it just keeps going. Ron Paul is just the fucking worst. The funny thing is, people need to remember that Ron Paul is an old man, and as he points out to The Hill, he does not control his own social media accounts. I do not make my own social media posts, and when I discovered the mistake, it was immediately deleted. Looks like a member of staff inadvertently, obviously, posted... yeah, I'm sure it was inadvertent. I do not make my own social media posts, and I discovered it, I deleted it. So it wasn't Ron Paul, it was actually someone else. So let's find the name of that person and hold them to account for their racist post. And I agree that is a racist meme, because it came from 4chan, where racist memes are born. But it wasn't Ron Paul, and he can still win.